Did you know that your liver has the amazing ability to heal itself? If you have fatty liver disease, the foods you eat every day can make a huge difference. Today, we're revealing 5 powerful foods that may help reduce liver fat, fight inflammation, and support a healthier liver naturally. Let's get started. Turmeric contains a natural compound called curcumin, famous for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies suggest curcumin may help reduce inflammation in the liver and even decrease fat accumulation over time. You can add turmeric to soups, curries, smoothies, or drink warm turmeric tea. Just remember, consistency matters more than quantity. Green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins, which may help reduce liver fat and improve liver function. Several studies have linked regular green tea consumption with healthier liver enzymes. Try drinking 1 or 2 cups a day without adding sugar for the best benefits. Oats are rich in soluble fiber called beta-glucan. Fiber helps reduce cholesterol, improves digestion, and may lower fat stored in the liver. A bowl of oatmeal with berries or bananas makes an excellent breakfast for liver health. Simple, filling, and incredibly nutritious. Next up are walnuts. Walnuts are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Research suggests they may help lower liver inflammation and reduce fat buildup. A small handful of walnuts each day can be a smart addition to a balanced diet. Finally, fatty fish. Fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats may reduce liver fat, decrease inflammation, and improve overall liver function. Experts often recommend eating fatty fish at least twice a week as part of a healthy diet. Along with eating these foods, remember these healthy habits. Limit sugary drinks and processed foods. Stay physically active for at least 30 minutes most days. Maintain a healthy weight. Drink enough water throughout the day. Small daily changes can lead to big improvements in your liver health. Your liver works hard every single day to keep you healthy. By adding these 5 nutrient-rich foods to your diet and making healthier lifestyle choices, you're giving your liver the support it deserves. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who cares about their health. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.